Yusuf, what are you doing?
California dreaming about you.
What is good, YouTube? It's your mother flipping boy, Ryan Hersey, back with another video. You know what it is, guys. As you guys can see, it is snowing today, guys, so you know I'm gonna bring the little kid out of me and I'm gonna have a fun ass day in the snow called a snow day. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, guys, it's gonna be extra lit because I got a little surprise for you guys that I'm gonna do in the snow. You guys are gonna have to watch the full video to figure what I'm gonna do. But anyway, guys, if you guys are not part of the strongest family on YouTube, make sure to smash the red button and join us on YouTube. You know what it is. Subscribe, yo. So yeah, we got a lit vlog today. So without further ado, let's roll the vlog. All right, y'all. So I'm driving in the snow right now, and if I'm being honest with you guys, my car is low-key freaking tripping right now. When I was riding up that hill, dude, like, see, I don't know if you get, like, it's like skipping. It's like I'm damn near sliding. Hopefully when I get on the main road, it'll be a little bit better. I'm at my grandma's house right now. All right, y'all, I'm more of a California dude, but look at this. Like, if I'm being honest with you, this is pretty freaking beautiful. This looks like a freaking winter wonderland. Look at this. The trees, the freaking snow hanging from the, it's beautiful. I like it. All right, y'all, we made it to the destination at Bleckerton Jackson Smith, Cornelius Jackson Smith III, Johnson Smith, cute. All right, I don't know where I'm going with this. Say what's good, Shirley. Say what's good to the vlog, man. What's up?
Hello there.
I don't want to be on camera. What do you want from me? Full snowboard, full send, you dig. And we got the dog out here, King Dingaling with the spling. You know what it is, you dig. What's good, King Dingaling? Yeah. We're on the golf course right now. So basically the goal right now is that we're going to sled all the way from the green down there. Blake, come on. Send it, dude.
Do not record this. I don't remember how to put this on.
Oh, no, you bought. Oh, yeah. What the?
Bro, please don't post that, bro. Damn! No. I'm practicing right now. I'm getting myself right.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
After many attempts, Bleckerton Jackson Smith cannot
I
sled.
suck. I get it. Leave me alone.
My turn now, motherfucker. Right, gang. Why am I going backwards? God! Damn. Can somebody help me?
News if I survived.
Nigga, I'm not strong enough.
Hold on, did you record when I did like a bunch of flips, Yusuf?
Yeah.
That one's funny. I'm about to just not stop recording. Yusuf, just do what I did, remember? Get on your knees and just start...
Like, just pull me!
Just start pounding. Why couldn't you just do what I did?
Like, when I crawl like that, it looks like I'm piping a joint, like...
Guess the tip!
Let's go! Yeah! Oh, wow! My leg!
Chill! Ah!
Out of breath. This is tiring. Getting up the hill.
How did I keep missing?
I can't get it out. Out, bro. Oh, I got you. I got you. Move your head. Stop!
Hey, I got it set on him. That's tough, Trey, look.
Trey, please stop. Trey, I'm not even joking. I'm not even joking, please. Trey,
hey, Trey, you smell that? I smell. Trey, you smell that?
Trey, stop. Please have some sympathy for me. Please. Empathy. Put yourself in my shoes. Have you ever learned that vocabulary word, motherfucker? Well, I'm on this.
It's low-key kind of hard to throw.
Stop! God! Hurry up! Get naked, nigga.
Hey, that's rape words right there, bro. Bro, he didn't even fit in the compressions, bro. How you not fit in the compressions? How you got loose compressions?
Why do you look like that?
I've never seen him like that, Trey.
Alright, can somebody help me?
I'm recording.
Yeah, I'm not helping you. You got it. Nigga, just get in there. Put me in the bed.
Trey, I got it. Just hold the camera. You should put it in. Damn, everybody need to tell me, bro.
I'm sorry. In a
Mm.
that joint wouldn't hurt. Look at his knees. You said, why do you look like that, bro?
We're good.
You said,
Please, like, man to man, can we do this? Please help me.
hurry up.
Jesus, this is like bitch to bitch. Like, fuck
Just-
off and get up.
Oh man!
Go.
Lefty loosey, righty tighty, fitty tighty. That was sick, dude. I wonder if this would actually work. Hold on.
Yusuf, what are you doing?
You stupid, bro.
That's enough of that. I'm done.
You're not done. Hold up.
I'm done. Ow.
Get on
My
my
knees
damn,
hurt.
get on my damn shoulder. Let's go.
Look, my knees hurt so bad.
This nigga Blake's so swole.
Ow.
Wait, grab him, grab him.
Oh shit.
I'm not helping you back up. That was tiring.
That's not enough content.
No, you need a lot more.
Fuck, man.
How much does he really care about his YouTube channel? We'll find out.
Brother, more than like.
No, it's not. It's the.
I can't. I tap out. I'm too cold. I need Jesus. It's so cold.
Get up!
Don't let him go.
Help me. Oh shit. Oh my god.
You suck.
Bro, it needs to be funnier.
Hey, Yusuf, get off of it so I can go.
By far the worst moments of my life. That was fucking cold. I can't even. Oh! Nigga, I'm cold. Black people don't do this shit, bro.
I'm like sweating.
What am I doing?
Runaway slave.
Boss life never ends, nigga. What are you talking about? Oh! Oh! Fuck! Oh! Fuck! Jesus! Oh my god! I have frostbite 100%.
That's what you said, bro.
We're done. This is over and done with.
Got the snow boots on, you know.
Yeah.
Fort Union. All right, go. Send it. Oh. What is that? What was that?
Oh yeah, get that workout in. You help him.
What do you need help with? Why? I'm already suffering. I'm already cold.
Mike, watch out.
Stop.
Watch out.
I can't. My shoes.
Stop. Is the camera okay? Stop. All right, turn off. Get out of the shut up. Get out of the camera, man. Like, come on, take care. Stop.
You know, Rye Gang, we're out here. You know, we just hit up Chipotle. You know, we got the man Booster right here. We got Trevarius Jackson right here.
What is good, guys? Anyway, guys, right now we just finished eating at Chipotle. Now we're on the way to my old elementary school. Guys, you guys have never seen my old Alright, y'all, so we are reminiscing right now. This is the old school, West Church Elementary School, right here. Turn the camera, Trey. There's actually a cop right there. But as you guys can see, that's the school. Jeez, man, it's amazing. But
He's leaving.
Nah, I mean, we can't go over there because there's a cop there, and literally it hasn't been shoveled. So that's basically the school, man. All right, y'all, we are drifting today. Send it. What the
You gotta move. No, turn it. Turn it.
Bro.
Why would you stop? I don't want to crash, man.
Yusuf, let me drive.
It's in park. We're done. No.
Yusuf, let me get out, nigga. Yusuf, get out. Yusuf, get out.
No, we're sending it, bro.
Yusuf, get out.
I know how to do
Why?
it.
I promise you.
Bro, you crash my car.
I promise you I won't, Yusuf.
No, I need you to put it on God. If you crash the car, you are paying for this.
Okay, I got you. On everything else. I don't put things on God.
Why am I doing this?
Yusuf, what is he gonna crash into?
Bro, I completely lost control. What do you mean?
I never knew how much traction control did.
Dang, that's crazy.
I'm putting my seatbelt on for this.
I'm not. I gotta record.
The vlog.
That's how you do it.
Oh,
I got it.
this nigga's about to kill us.
I got it.
Bro,
What is it like, Trade? Stop.
I'm gonna do it.
Because it's the way my car is different, nigga.
Bro,
It's good. We have the same car.
let me drive.
No.
Let me drive.
No.
All right, look at this. Look at this. You ready?
Oh, that was. Oh, shit. He drifted. He drifted. Holy fuck. Holy fuck. Hey, stop. All right, stop.
All right, I got it.
All right. No. Actually, Trey, stop. Trey, stop.
Trey, chill. All right, I got it.
This nigga actually drifted.
Bro, someone get the back and record this.
Oh
shit. I'm
my
about to start
God,
driving.
you're not driving.
Let me drive.
You're not driving. Alright, y'all, man, that is the vlog. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you guys made it to the end, man, I cannot thank you guys enough. Make sure you guys smash the red button. Join the strongest family on the mother flipping internet. Because you know we're doing it different, baby. Without further ado, man, take it easy, fam. Peace.
See that?